What looked like to be a very good weekend for Hunter Lawrence ended in the first corner of Moto 2, and you can see it right in the middle of the screen there, that little pileup. Well, that's him. He came together with a couple other people, and that's also him rolling on the ground, which is never good. He won the first race, got whole shot, looked like this was going to be a great round for him, and then who knows. But I think it was midway through the 450 Moto 2, Lars Lindstrom, his HRC manager, said,
"Yeah, so it looks like we avoided major injuries. The start, as you know, is the most dangerous spot on the track. All 40 riders are next to each other, tripped over the same, going for a whole shot. And so, luckily, it looks like we got banged up pretty good. Went through all the protocol. Luckily, we have a great staff here, Alpinestars medical unit, and looks like he's going to be okay. Definitely had a pretty big hit to his right arm, and that kind of scared him. But it's already starting to feel better. And then he's had this problem with his ribs, pre-season that he even had, and he may have dinged one of those again. But other than that, looks like we got pretty lucky on this one.
And he did end up standing up on his own, walking off track, walking onto the Alpinestars mule. So hopefully what he's actually saying is true, that it is just a, stinger and maybe aggravated a rib or something, and he'll be back for next week with Southwick. But in the comments below, you tell me, is it worse than it thinks? Are they trying to hide something? Well, not hide, but how sports is, you never want to say how exactly hurt you are. But hopefully I think he's back for Southwick. I'd like to see him. Well, one, I'm going to Southwick, so I'd like to see him race, and two, I'd like to see this season continue. But in the comments below, you tell me, hurt more than he thinks it is, or just he'll be fine, be back for next week, and maybe back to his winning ways. But while you're down there commenting, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.